Healthy breakfast ideas, 10 more. Blueberry almond chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, a splash of vanilla extract, and a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight to thicken. Serve topped with sliced almonds and additional blueberries. Tofu breakfast burrito. Scrambled tofu with diced bell peppers, onions, and a sprinkle of turmeric and nutritional yeast for a vegan alternative to scrambled eggs. Wrap in a whole grain tortilla with black beans, avocado slices, and salsa. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Blend frozen banana slices with peanut butter, Greek yogurt, a splash of milk, dairy or plant-based, and a handful of spinach or kale for added nutrition. Sweeten with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if desired. Egg and veggie breakfast muffins. Beat eggs with diced vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Pour into greased muffin tins and bake until set. These portable egg muffins are perfect for meal prep and can be enjoyed on the go. Apple cinnamon quinoa porridge. Cook quinoa with diced apples, cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a splash of almond milk until creamy. Serve warm, topped with chopped nuts, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Mix cottage cheese with diced pineapple, mango, and kiwi for a tropical twist. Top with granola or toasted coconut flakes for added crunch and sweetness. Vegetable breakfast tacos. Fill corn or whole wheat tortillas with scrambled eggs or tofu, sautéed vegetables like zucchini, corn, and cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Serve with salsa and sliced avocado. Turmeric ginger oatmeal. Cook rolled oats with ground turmeric, grated ginger, a pinch of black pepper, and a splash of coconut milk for a warming and anti-inflammatory breakfast option. Top with sliced bananas and a drizzle of honey. Spinach and feta breakfast wrap. Sauté spinach with diced onions and garlic until wilted. Fill a whole grain wrap with the spinach mixture, crumbled feta cheese, and scrambled eggs. Roll up and enjoy with a side of fresh fruit. Berry and spinach breakfast smoothie. Blend frozen mixed berries with fresh spinach, Greek yogurt, a scoop of protein powder, optional, and a splash of almond milk until smooth. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These breakfast recipes offer a variety of flavors and textures while providing essential nutrients to fuel your day. Enjoy experimenting with these new ideas and incorporating them into your breakfast routine. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.